And they're not always going to speak English, Stephen.
Jim,
they're not
do you
always
believe
going to be highly skilled. They're not always going to be...
Jim, I appreciate your speech. Jim, I appreciate your speech, so let's talk about this.
And so it happened in one of the most famous briefing room fights of the Trump era, a fight that signaled the administration's direction. With the administration moving the United States toward merit-based immigration Thursday, not reuniting families, but taking immigrants who have skills, who speak English, and who are more educated.
For many years, America has issued most of its green cards to lower-skilled immigrants and people that had no hope of getting a job, undermining blue-collar workers and wages, and costing taxpayers billions and billions of dollars a year.
Critics of merit-based immigration say lower-skilled workers are also needed, and that merit tests could restrict immigration overall, which these critics do not want. The world's most famous merit-based immigration system is Australia's, which has a points system, giving, for example, 20 points for having a recognized PhD, 20 points for speaking superior English, and 25 points for being young, having a lifetime of economic contribution ahead.
You come in largely based on merit. Doesn't that sound nice? Wouldn't that be nice? It's about time.
Canada and New Zealand have systems like Australia's. Italy, France, Germany, Sweden, like the U.S. has until now, favor reuniting families. Other countries have ethnic or cultural criteria. Israel prioritizes Jews. Britain historically has prioritized immigrants from former colonies. So much attention in recent years is focused on refugees and sudden migrant flows. Now, attention turning to standard legal immigration and how different countries have chosen different paths.